Well, there are fears that COVID-19 cases will spike in June in India. Chhattisgarh Health Minister has quoted Prime Minister Modi, saying the Prime Minister said that a spike in coronavirus cases could happen in June, July. As of now, the second phase of lockdown is to end on May 3rd. Several states have already recommended that it should be increased, that the lockdown should continue for a longer time. But now there are fears that the COVID-19 cases could spike in June in India, which means that not just will lockdown will have to stay, but people will also have to ensure that they are taking all precautions and show enough social responsibility. The Chhattisgarh Health Minister has quoted the Prime Minister. Earlier today, the Prime Minister held a video conference meeting with the state chief ministers. Now, the Chhattisgarh Health Minister saying the Prime Minister said that a spike in coronavirus cases could happen in June, July.
हिसाब से चीजें नियंत्रण में हैं, लेकिन कल अगर स्पाइक आया, आज प्रधानमंत्री जी ने भी उसका उल्लेख किया कि लोग कह रहे हैं कि मैंने पहले अप्रैल के आखिरी और मई के पहले सप्ताह में स्पाइक को एंटिसिपेट करने की बात रखी थी और अगला था जून जुलाई में। तो आज प्रधानमंत्री जी ने जून जुलाई का उल्लेख किया कि जून जुलाई में इसका स्पाइक आ सकता है। कोरोना हमारे बीच में लंबे समय तक रहेगा, जून जुलाई में स्पाइक आ सकता है, तो उसको ध्यान में रख के हमको जो भी एक्टिविटीज करनी है।
So this was the statement by the Chhattisgarh Health Minister. He quoted Prime Minister Modi and said that the cases could spike in June, July. Let's go across to my colleague Suraj Suresh, who joins us live from the newsroom with more details on this. Well, Suraj, this is something that should come as an alarm. Of course, we had several such statements that had been made previously as well on when COVID-19 cases could spike in India. But it looks like not just is the lockdown here to stay, but also coronavirus and the scare is going to continue until June, July.
Well, absolutely, Pratibha. If we have to go back and remember what the Boston Consulting Group had also said, probably we will have to extend our lockdown all the way till September, because probably we will be seeing a second wave of the coronavirus, outbreak as well. Because even the World Health Organization had said that the worst is yet to come. Probably the second wave could happen, anywhere between June, July, August. So that is the period they are most worried about. Even the health department, for that matter, they have been speaking about how the second wave could cause a problem. Probably those reports is what Prime Minister Modi was hinting at in the video conference that he held with all the chief ministers. He did go ahead and speak to 9 chief ministers today, and probably he was referring to the Boston Consulting Group report. He was referring to what the World Health Organization was telling, and also even the NHS, that is the National Health Services, they had also gone ahead and said that yes, there are possibilities that the second wave could hit the entire country like a wrecking ball, and this could become a cause of concern. So we should start concentrating on the second wave than being present in the first wave itself, because the second wave, how it could react, whether the virus will be virulent or not, whether the strains will change, and how we have to relax the entire lockdown. This is something which the states will have to start thinking about, how the relaxation process amidst the lockdown, the partial relaxation, how it needs to be done, how they can ensure that it will be just a cluster and they can start treating those people. All of these is something which the Prime Minister has given advice to the chief ministers. Now the chief ministers will have to start planning with their ministers as well as the officials who are present. The planning process will have to begin, but probably a sneak peek into what the Prime Minister has said and what kind of advice has been given, which has clearly mentioned that June and July the second wave might be seen. So this is a cause of concern, but nonetheless, probably now the states will start start thinking about the second wave, start thinking about the period where the virus could go ahead and mutate, and there could be more cases which could be reported. How to control that? Probably that is the plan which they'll be checking out now.
Right, Suraj. So COVID-19 is here to stay. That was something that had been previously discussed, and feared as well, and that has now been confirmed by the Chhattisgarh Health Minister. He's of course quoting the Prime Minister. He claims that the Prime Minister had made this statement earlier today in the meeting, but we do know inputs from the meeting that took place with the Chief Ministers and the Prime Minister, where he also is said to have said that the focus should remain on economy. He said that yes, saving the lives of the people of the country was extremely important, but we also need to focus at economy. So it's going to be a very tough decision to decide between the two, because if the cases are spiking in June, July, it's going to be very difficult looking at the economic situation in the country for the lockdown to continue until the end of July. So that balance would have to be, balanced approach would have to be taken by the state governments in the center.
Well, absolutely. Again, another report, which was Goldman Sachs report, which clearly mentioned that the GDP could be anywhere between 1.5 to 1.6 this time around if the same trend continues. Even the economy might fall is what they had said. So this being the situation, probably the government of India is thinking about the economy, how to ensure that the economy stays the same or they could better in the coming days, and it should not fall, and how the businesses will have to start functioning. This is something which they have been concentrating on. But the doctors, the epidemiologists, as well as the pandemic experts, they have been stating this is not the time to think about the economy, because if at all the second wave increases the number of cases, probably we'll be looking at how the other countries across the world have been facing the crisis. Probably that is what will be witnessed even in India. So the first priority should be in how to eradicate or how to control the spread of the virus, and also to look at the vaccine point of view as well, because the cure is something which they will have to concentrate on at this point in time. So yes, vaccine, the plasma therapy, probably all of these are something which the state governments will have to look at. Not to forget, even Uddhav Thackeray had said in one of his address to the people of Maharashtra, he had said that yes, probably the industries will start opening up, they will start functioning, and they will be working at low capacity. But even amidst all of that, we have been seeing how Maharashtra, the number of cases have been rising. It is over 7,500 cases which have been reported in Maharashtra, and that is an alarming rate at which it has been increasing. So yes, even though economy is important, even though the industries have not been functioning, even though we will be seeing a bad GDP, what needs to be considered is that the humanity, the humankind, the human race is something which they will have to conserve at this point in time. So probably they will have to concentrate on how the vaccine can be produced and what kind of therapy could be implemented so that the virus can be contained and eradicated in the coming days.